Hello everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. Kim and I were down in New York City not too long ago. We were in the Flatiron District, spending a lot of money, and lo and behold, we found ourselves in a bar on a roof. It was a building called Elote, and on top was a restaurant called Sarah. And while we were there, we found something that was very, very interesting. We had a cocktail that was made with something called Corncello. I said Corncello, not lemon jello. It's smooth, it's silky, it's sweet like corn. You can sip it or you can put it in a cocktail. So today what we're going to do is we're going to put it in a cocktail. And it's kind of like a sour, but we're going to do that. But before we do, I want to thank everybody who's hit the subscribe button in the last week. I want to thank those who continue to join us. If you see something you like, hit the like. If you have something you want to say to us, please leave us a comment. So, with all that out of the way, let's get pouring. We're going to start with a shaker glass. And in that shaker glass, we start with vodka. And today we're using 1.5 ounces, and we're using Grey Goose. And that goes in our shaker. Next, we're using 1.5 ounces for the Corncello. You can see, you'll find the recipe in the section down below. That's 1.5 ounces of that. When you first make it, it's a little bit cloudy and all the corn will settle out of it. Next ingredient in there is 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And I said it was just like a sour, so what the next thing that goes in there is an egg white. Remember, fresh is best. We just grabbed these out of the backyard yesterday. Pop the top on that, and we're going to give that a really good dry shake to get it nice and frothy. We got foam. Next, we're going to give an ice cube in there. We're going to give it another shake so that we can chill it down this time. And off we go. We're almost there. Magically, we have a Coupe glass. And on the Coupe glass, what we've done is we put a seasoning on there called Elote. It's a Mexican seasoning. If you've ever had Mexican street corn, that's what you put on the street corn. Stuff tastes phenomenal on here. You can make it at home if you've got a grocery that has ethnic spices in there. You may be able to find it in there if they've got a Latin section. If not, once again, you'll see the recipe, just like the Corncello, in the comments at the end of the video. You give it a good sweet pour. And that is the cocktail we call Maize. Cheers, everyone. Ooh, that's so good.